If waiting for Bitcoin payments feels like dial-up internet, you need the Lightning Network. It's like upgrading dial-up to fiber, instant, cheap, and private. So, what is the Lightning Network? It's a layer 2 on Bitcoin that opens payment channels between people. Open a channel, exchange lots of tiny payments instantly, then close to settle on Bitcoin. Use it for microtips, fast merchant payments, and streaming or gaming microtransactions near zero fees. Lightning makes Bitcoin usable for everyday instant payments. Want more crypto explained in a flash? Like and follow.